magacaygu waa Matan Diriye Underwent 15 sano ka bacdi baan shil ku galay.
And he underwent hip replacement in Djibouti, total hip replacement.
14 bilood baan ku socday ilaa
After 14 years back, he feels that he can't walk properly and also feels pain with joint mobility.
lugta waan dhutiyay eedana waxaan rajaynayaa lugta inay way iga baaday.
Gradually, a lot of the pelvis bone had eroded. So the son, being a doctor, they decided to flow the patient to India.
They planned him to undergo 2 stages of surgery.
We did the first surgery, which was removal of the implant and putting it an antibiotic spacer. For the 8 months after the surgery, the patient was perfectly fine. He was walking, he was comfortable, he was sleeping well. We noticed that now, since the patient is good and there were no signs of infection, we decided that we are going to attempt the stage 2 of the revision surgery. He came back to us around 15 days from now. We did his revision hip replacement, where we took out the antibiotic spacer and we put in a long stem with the acetabulum.
aad iyo aadna waan u wanaagsanahay, iyagana waan u mahadcelinayaa digtoorada iyo Ilaahay. aadna waan u wanaagsanahay.
So now, after being operated, he can walk. All the movements of his hip joint have come back, but we have asked him to avoid sitting on the floor and avoid praying on the floor for few months, because it's a revision hip surgery. But I'm sure that after 6 or 8 months, he would be able even to pray.
We are thanking to Allah and also thanking to Dr. Mannu and his team, and also I am thanking to BLK-Max.